Before you delete TikTok to free up space again, let me show you every type of storage device that exists, what they do, how they work, and which one to actually use. Explained so simply, even your grandparents could understand it. Oh, and I promise by the end of this video, you'll never confuse SSD and HDD again. First up, we got the hard drive, the classic storage device that's been around for decades. An HDD uses spinning metal disks to store your files, which makes it feel a little like a tiny record player inside your PC. Many gaming consoles and older laptops shipped with HDDs, which is why they often felt slower when loading games or booting up. Many people still use HDDs simply because higher capacities are extremely affordable compared to modern SSDs. They're also commonly found in external backup drives because reliability matters more than speed in that scenario. When storing large video projects, HDDs are still used in many studios as long-term archival storage. Next up, we got the SSD, a huge leap from HDDs. The SSD stores data using flash memory use. No moving parts at all. This makes it faster, quieter, cooler, and more reliable. If you upgraded an old PC from HDD to SSD, you know how dramatic the speed difference is. SSDs became popular because they were the perfect middle ground. Fast, affordable, and easy to install. Many budget laptops still use SSDs because they strike a balance between price and performance. They're also ideal for upgrading older desktops where NVMe slots might not exist. SSDs can also improve battery life in laptops since they use less power. Next is cloud storage. Storage that doesn't physically live on your device. Your files are kept on servers owned by companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft. You can access your data from anywhere with the internet. Cloud storage is perfect for syncing notes, photos, and documents. It prevents data loss if your device breaks. Cloud storage scales easily. You can buy extra space instantly. Some services offer file sharing tools for teams and businesses. Photos taken on phones are usually backed up to the cloud automatically. Cloud backups are crucial for people who travel often. Now let's talk about the memory cards, a tiny but powerful form of flash storage used mostly in phones, cameras, drones, and handheld consoles. They're incredibly compact, which makes them perfect for portable devices. Micro SD cards come in many speed classes, which determines how fast they can record or read data. Photographers rely on them to shoot high-resolution photos and 4K or even 8K video. Some micro SD cards include adapters to fit into full-size SD card slots. They're sensitive to heat, water, and physical damage due to their tiny size. They come in capacities as large as 1 terabyte, which is crazy considering their size. Next up, the USB. Everyone knows these small portable sticks you plug into a USB port. They're perfect for transferring files between computers. They're reliable, cheap, and extremely easy to use. Flash drives became popular because people needed quick storage that didn't require cables or complex setups. The drives are often used in schools and work environments for quick sharing. They're not ideal for long-term backups because they can degrade over time. Many content creators keep one in their bag for emergency file transfers. Now we are diving into the older generations, the disk. Optical disks store data using laser technology, making them one of the most iconic storage types of the last few decades. They were widely used for movies, music albums, PC games, and software installations. CDs focused on audio, DVDs introduced video storage, and Blu-ray improved capacity for HD and 4K content. Optical disks are still used in some industries for distributing educational materials and archived data. They come in 2 types, read-only like movie discs and recordable versions CDR, DVD-R. Next on the list, the floppy disk. The floppy disk is one of the earliest portable storage devices used in personal computers. It stores data using a flexible magnetic disk inside a protective plastic square. Floppies were used for transferring documents, saving small programs, and booting early operating systems. Despite their limitations, floppies were revolutionary because they allowed data to be physically transported. Floppies were also used in early aviation computers and medical equipment. And now at last, the magnetic tape. Magnetic tape stores data on long strips of magnetized material, similar to audio cassettes. It was one of the earliest digital storage methods used by businesses and government systems. Tapes are designed for storing massive amounts of data at a low cost. Although they're slow to access, they're extremely reliable and long-lasting. Modern companies use magnetic tape for archiving backups and long-term storage. If this video helped you finally understand all the storage devices you see online or inside your computer, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.